Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Serivce A or B light on 2011 Mercedes E350. Super simple. Take the cover off for your push button start. Stick the key in. Turn it one time over. Gotta make sure your mileage is showing on the screen. You're gonna hit the call button first and then the OK button, but you gotta hit them both. So I'm gonna try to do that. First, the call button and then the OK button. And then that pops up. Go down all the way to the bottom where it says Assist Plus and hit OK. Go to Full Service, down arrow, and then hit OK. Go all the way to Configure Full Service. Then click Yes, all services were carried out. Hit OK. Then it'll say Confirm. Down click, hit OK. Full service carried out. Now we can go back, and then you can shift over to the right, and then you can go over to where your services are, and 0 messages are appearing. So now if we turn on the car, services have been extended by 80 days. So no check engine light or anything, or service engine light. Thank you.